Hello and welcome into my art studio. I've just finished recording a free mini series called Paint Your Emotions, and I'd love you to benefit from it and enjoy it. It contains 5 short 10-minute guided gentle exercises to really get in touch with your feelings and express them on paper in a very gentle way. And it just means that it gets you started, it gets you unblocked, unstuck, and less afraid of the blank page. So whether it's to help you move forward in your art and just get you going, or whether it's to help you move through difficult emotions without having to voice them to anyone, then do check it out. The link's below, and yeah, I hope you find it really valuable. Okay, take care. Bye for now.